Okay, today I'm going to share a story with you. This little guy's 11 years old, and he's her dad. This is Luna and this is Shanti. And I came home one day, and just out of nowhere, my daughter says, Shanti's leg is hurt. And I said, what happened? And she said, I don't know. She said he was just walking from inside the house to the outside, and all of a sudden he screamed and he cramped up his leg. And then when I came home, he was on tripod, what I call tripod, 3 legs. And that stayed the same for almost 3-4 days. I finally ended up having to buy him, he just wouldn't let me come near it, and I had to buy a stroller to take him for his walk. And when I took him to the vet said hundreds, thousands of dollars in order to do a surgery that they were not sure it was going to actually help, right? So then I started to do my research, and then I needed to do a research something that would help his immune system and also have omega-3s and these things for the joint. And I ran up against Glee Paws. And his daughter, Luna, who's right here, has allergies. So I figured it's got, omega-3s, and it's really, it does omega-3s, linoleic acid, B1, B2, B6, and colostrum for the tummy. And I was really like, okay, I'm going to try this. And, it says right here that it soothes itchy skin, allergies, health, immune support, and it's got some natural ingredients. Now, I've tried others, but what I liked about this was that it had, more omega-3s and 6s. And what I liked it when I opened it is the fact that they're very small, because these guys are small. So these guys are small, and their little mouth is small. They have small little mouths, little jaws. So I have to even cut these up to make them. And so let's see if they like them. Let's see. Shanti right here. And he's my picky one. See? You want a little smaller? Here we go. And he gets a seal of approval, or this gets a seal of approval. Luna, you want another piece, baby? She ate one earlier. She's a little more shy. So we'll leave it there for her. And he's ready for his other. Oh, look it. She's going for it. She's going for it. Yeah, she likes it too. Here we go. And I do have to cut them up just because my dogs are special. But they're pretty small. So, see? Yay. There she goes. And there we go. So if you're looking for something for your dogs, or you have a similar story about one of your pets, then I would recommend that you do research, and if you're looking for something and you trust me, I am a functional diagnostic nutritionist, so I was making sure that all of this stuff was in there, and it's got my seal of approval. So yeah, just comment the word link and I will send you the link to this.